Welcome to the presentation of event study for cryptocurrency, particularly positive and negative news effect on cryptos. We already know that an event study approach involves considering a several list of events and seeing the effect of them in a timeline regarding the price value, in this case of cryptocurrencies. We need to consider that cryptocurrencies are calling much attention nowadays, especially due to the rapid swing of prices. We have the case of the bitcoins. As a result, there are major regulatory concerns. In order to evaluate the effectiveness of an event, in this case, there were four classifications regarding potential triggers for changing the value of a crypto. The first one is considering legal events that could affect the situation of cryptocurrencies. The second one involves the interoperability of this digital money, considering aspects of anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism. Also, it's mentioned the idea that general statement of warnings from the governments could have an effect, but not so strong. In some cases, market changes also persisted besides jurisdictions, which meant that were targeted toward a specific market segmentation. To see more clear regulatory events that could generate these changes, they are maintained according to a list of objectives that governments tend to follow. If they are following these three set of objectives, they are going to be long-term measures that could maintain a consistent change in the price. We're talking about the combat, the use of funds for illicit activities, protect consumers and investors against frauds and abuses, and also assure the integrity of markets and payment systems, and overall financial stability. As a quick example, we have two negative events, which, as a consequence, a drop in the Bitcoin value. They were regulatory negative events. The first one, in graph 1, has the headline of US SEC rejects application to list Bitcoin ETF. By March 2017, the Bitcoin dropped its value, considering this news. The second graph indicates a headline in which Japan FSA says orders 6 cryptocurrency exchanges to improve business or relax money laundering measures. Again, by June 2018, Bitcoin value dropped. These were two clear negative events considering regulatory aspects, or we could mention the first type of event regarding legal issues mentioned in the previous slide. These are some of the sources that were used, and thanks for watching the presentation.